I started WikiLeaks to solve a very interesting problem to me, which was to know the fate of man, to know the fate of mankind, insofar as that development of man is revealed by the development of his institutions and how they actually behave in practice internally. And the great political struggle of mankind, insofar as it's been rational, and we all know politics is largely irrational, but the irrational part, I feel, is sort of random. And the rational part is based upon what we know about ourselves, what we know about each other, and what we know about how human resources are distributed and how human institutions behave and what sort of internal and external rules we engage in. So that's the purpose of WikiLeaks, to try and understand mankind, and then from that we can perhaps produce a better, or more realistically put, worse human civilization. But that's changing. Mankind, in some sense, just having a small glimmer of understanding about how it is progressing through the world, I think is now almost completely eliminated. And not in the way that I expected. We actually have access to much more knowledge about how we work than we ever did before. But it's been eliminated through the speed of informational processing, and therefore the speed of the change of knowledge. And that is rapidly moving into that algorithmic processing of knowledge is moving into artificial intelligence. And why artificial intelligence is just another kind of algorithm, I think the scale changes that have occurred in the last 7 years are significant enough to classify it as a qualitative change. And that qualitative change means a serious, in my view, very serious threat to the stability of human civilizations. Not that they should be too stable. And the ability for human beings to organize their fate in an intelligent manner. So I think you guys, in both these two dimensions, are able to do something.